Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to explain to you how to check in online on Ryanair. So basically what you're going to have to do is simply open any browser and then simply search for check in online Ryanair and then simply click on the first link, which is this one here, and then you're going to get redirected to this website. Now, as you can see, you can log in into your account. So if you have a Ryanair account, make sure to use it, or you can simply use your reservation number. So here you're gonna have to enter your reservation number and your email address, and then simply click on retrieve your booking, and then you can proceed with your check-in. Now, as you can see, I don't have any, but you're gonna have to add your reservation number here, the one that you got on your email. So basically that's all you have to do in order to check in online. I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.